What's up, Scholars family? Namaste and greeting from Sushi Santosh. Today in this video, I'll try to make crispy, crunchy and spicy sushi salmon. This sushi rice will be a little bit different sushi rice. I'm going to do the deep fried. I hope you're gonna love this recipe. Firstly, we have to use the sushi and sashimi grade fish. If you don't know how to make supermarket salmon as a sushi and sashimi grade, you can check this video. I'm saying everything in a detailed way. I have here the frozen and treated sushi and sashimi grade fish. I'll use the Japanese mayonnaise, and for the extra level of aroma, I'm going to use sesame oil. So I'm going to make the spicy crunchy salmon. That's why I'll use the sriracha. Sriracha you can adjust as per your taste, how much spicy you want, and I'll use the little bit wasabi, so it will give the little bit tangy flavor. It's enough, and just a little bit soy sauce. Black pepper, that is totally optional. If you have, you can use a little bit Himalayan rock salt, but I don't have, that's why I'll use just normal salt, or you can use a little bit more soy sauce. It's depend on you. And also, if you want, you can use the chili flakes. That is totally optional. If you want a little bit more spicy, you can use. And this is optional. I'm going to use kimchi sauce. Now I'm going to mix it very well. Okay, I'm going to use the egg. I'll use a little bit salt and just a little bit black pepper. To make the crunchy and crispy, I'll use the breadcrumbs. Okay, I'll make a small rice ball. Now I'm gonna use the egg and breadcrumbs to make the crunchy rice ball. I'll dip this rice ball inside the egg. This is the Japanese mayonnaise. Now I'm going to use the spicy salmon here on the top. Just a little bit cibolino, spring onions, and just a little bit sesame seeds. This is how we can make our crispy, crunchy and delicious spicy salmon ball with fried sushi rice. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Stay safe, stay healthy. See you in the next video. Have a good day.